And in other news, back to...
It's raining sideways!
Sounds rough, Ollie. Do you have an umbrella?
Had one!
Where is it?
Inside out 2 miles!
Good morning. Rainy Monday morning. Tuesday morning to you, though. This is the Daily Stack. Chad, say hey to the Daily Stack.
What's up, Daily Stack?
Well now, let's just see if there's anything missing!
You ready? Ow! Alright, let's put this one down. Alright, you ready for me to come in? I'm gonna come off of this. I'm going to swoop over, I'm going to come up on you. Whatever you want to talk about. Do you want to start on them, or do you want to start down here?
You can go from there, and then we're going to come in. We're going to go. What?
Alright, ready? That video is going to be awesome. Go over to Submission Snipers on either Instagram or Facebook. Video we discuss the lineage of the Gracies in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Repeatedly. Madeline, you ready for sprints? See if I don't get tired.
If you don't get tired.